Hi there and welcome to a new tutorial here from rackmedia.com with Dino Redwell. In today's video I'll be showing you how to synchronize your mobile phone music with your car audio system and play it directly from your device using Bluetooth. So, of course, while driving, you won't be using your phone for security reasons. That's why it is recommended that you put away your mobile phone and link it or pair it using Bluetooth, and this way you can listen to the music which is on the mobile without any problems. You want to play your preferred or favorite music, and you don't want to create a new CDs, or you don't have USB drives. First of all, you need to pair your device using Bluetooth, as we have done on our previous tutorial. So after pairing your device, you just turn on, if you want to use it again, just turn on your Bluetooth. That's it. Next you head on to the aux in here button, click on it, click again, double click on it, wait a few seconds, and that's it. You can see now that Bluetooth is activated and you can listen to your favorite songs without any other devices. Let's try this. Head on to music,
www.rackmedia.com.
okay, you can see we can turn off the mobile and put it away, and the music still play. Okay. Cannot turn it too loud, as you know, for copyright problems. Can also move in the playlist. You can also pause it. That's it. And this way you have linked your device and you can play without any problems, and you still play your favorite music. Enjoy your trip and care. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.